how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp.
Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
If you want to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp, then the first step what you have to do is tap and hold on WhatsApp and tap on app info. Here tap on clear data, tap on clear cache and tap on clear cache. Then go back to the WhatsApp application. Here tap on the three dots, go to the settings, tap on chats. Here you'll find the Meta AI option, then you just have to toggle that option to off and the Meta AI will be disappeared from your WhatsApp. And the next method what you have to do is you just have to tap and hold on WhatsApp and uninstall this application, and you just have to download the previous version of WhatsApp, as in new version the WhatsApp gives the new features of Meta AI. So in order to get rid of Meta AI, you have to switch your WhatsApp to the previous version.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.